Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get Roblox on Nintendo Switch. Nintendo Switch doesn't officially support Roblox yet, but you can access it via the built-in web browser using custom DNS settings. On your Switch home page, go to System Settings. Navigate to Internet Settings, then select your registered network. Choose Change Settings, then DNS Settings, and switch from automatic to manual. Highlight Primary DNS, hold B to delete the existing value, then type 045.055.142.122, then press OK to save and change the secondary DNS to if you want. Now save the new DNS settings, then click Connect. Once connected, the SwitchBru DNS page will open. Click Useful Links, then find Roblox.com, log into your account, and you can start playing from the browser. Just know that this is an unofficial workaround. Performance may vary and some Roblox games might not run smoothly since the Switch doesn't natively support Roblox yet. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe for our channel for more tips and tricks like this.